are more than just a pretty face. More than just a voice to be heard. You're a symbol of hope, dignity, grace, and compassion. You are a queen, a leader, a force to be reckoned with. When you walk onto that stage, you're not just walking in a show. You're walking into your destiny. You're proving to yourself and to the world that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. So join us on this journey, a journey of self-discovery, of empowerment, and of making a difference. Let your light shine brightly and inspire others to do the same. Because together, we can create a world where every woman is seen for her true worth and where dreams are within reach. Welcome to Belleza.